Welcome to Blackboard Ultra. This video guides you on how to use Blackboard Ultra for your class. It won't cover every detail, but once you understand the basics, you can apply it to other courses in future semesters. Let's get started. Click on the Courses menu on the left, use the drop-down to select the term, and choose the course you want to access. First, click on Course Schedule. Click the drop-down arrow to view the schedule or additional options to download. This schedule, while subject to change, helps students track important dates and balance their academic workload with other commitments. If this message still appears, contact your professor immediately to request an updated course schedule and address further questions. Now let's move on to the Start Here module. Click the green box to expand and view the items in the module. This is the video you're watching. Please note that you should check the previous item before moving on to the next one in this module. After watching this video, you can proceed to the syllabus. You can also pause the video as needed while you move through the content. Once you complete a task, you will see a green check mark on the left. In the syllabus menu, there are 3 documents. Please review the academic affairs policies and download the course syllabus, which is the official syllabus for this course. You may need this for credit exemption when transferring to another university after graduation. Most importantly, check the course policies. These course policies outline course weights, late policies, and other key rules for passing and excelling in this course. Failing to review these policies often leads to academic disputes. Be sure to read and understand them thoroughly before the course begins, and consult your professor if you have any questions. If this message appears, inform your professor to update the information. You should take note of the professor's emergency phone number, school email, Gmail account, and WebEx online meeting address. Then you're ready to move on to the next item. Check your computing power and software requirements for this course. If there's a video guide, please watch it, install the required software, and inform your professor if you encounter any problems. Next, watch this video guide for effective communication. It provides tips on writing clear and concise emails, helping to prevent unnecessary messages that can waste both your time and your professor's. Mastering the skill ensures your questions and concerns are addressed efficiently, fostering better academic interactions. After that, you'll be asked a question to check your understanding. If you don't pass on the first try, review the feedback provided for the question to improve. This will help you pass on your next attempt and avoid spending unnecessary hours trying to move on to the next. Finally, you must complete the no-show assignment within the first week of the semester. This is very important, as failing to do so will result in being automatically dropped from the course. Now you're ready to move on to your course content, but let's check out the course resources first. Confirm your textbook for the course, then set up the discussion board. As you've learned from the video and the quiz, this is the place to ask general course questions. Click Follow to stay updated. It will change to Unfollow, allowing you to set up notifications. This keeps you informed and saves time by avoiding repeated questions. You can also check the top menu to confirm if it's set up correctly. You will need to access the Lessons folder each week to view course materials, take tests and exams, and submit assignments. This is the typical layout for each lesson folder, but it may vary depending on the course you take. You can download course materials here, including slides, assignments, and any supplementary materials provided. Almost every lesson includes tests and labs. You should take the weekly test here. Whether you're taking online or in-person classes, you're required to set up a lockdown browser and webcam for your first weekly test. This ensures you're prepared for future midterm and final exams. Take your time to properly set up the lockdown browser and webcam. Once you're ready, start the test and try to complete it within the designated time frame. After completing the test, click the Submit button for automatic grading. When you're ready to submit your assignment, click here. Watch the short clip on how to submit files. You can upload multiple files, images, or share a clickable link. Once you're done, click the Submit button. You are lucky if you have interview or presentation sessions in your course. An introductory video can help you prepare and perform well in the interview or presentation. You can also download 5-minute challenge-type questions and submit the required files and share links here. You should really appreciate your professor's time, effort, and professional knowledge when they conduct a live interview session for you. It is a great opportunity to improve your skill set, enhance your level of understanding, and improve your grade. The professor will ask you to demonstrate your work from scratch, pose questions, and provide detailed feedback. Depending on your skill set, you will either pass or get a rain check. The questions may seem easy, but you need to prove that you truly understand the material and are very familiar with the skill set. Accuracy and time management are key. If your goal is to get a B, you might not prioritize this opportunity, but it will significantly help in your learning process and in real-world technical interviews. Additionally, you can learn from others' mistakes and feel more connected to the learning community. Your professor will make the midterm or final projects available when you are ready. You can download the relevant materials and submit the required files. Record your presentation for the project and share the link for a better grade. You may be asked some questions about your algorithms, so be prepared to explain your approach and reasoning. For the midterm and final exams, the process varies depending on whether you are an in-person or online student. If you are an online student, you will take your exams at home using a lockdown browser and a webcam. However, if you are attending classes in person, you will need to come to class to take your exams, and you won't need a lockdown browser or a webcam. For those who require accommodations, it's important to provide an official document from the Disability Services. Now, let's take a look at the top menus, starting with the calendar. To stay updated on due dates and important dates for tests, exams, and assignments, you should regularly check the calendar menu. This will help you keep track of your schedule. Announcements. Make it a habit to check the announcements section regularly for any important updates. Discussions or discussion board. Once again, if you have any questions related to the course, it's best to use the discussion board rather than emailing directly unless it's a private issue. Gradebook. You can view your grades and feedback here. Some professors may also use the announcements section to share general feedback. Utilizing these top menus will help you efficiently manage your coursework. Referring to the Student Resources module is a smart way to explore the various types of help the school can provide. For programming language class students, you can get help by making an appointment online. If you need accommodations, please contact the Disability Services and obtain an official document to receive proper accommodations. Thank you for your attention, and best of luck with your studies.